So I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to set up the fingerprint on this phone. So the first thing you want to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to biometrics, tap on that, and then choose fingerprints, and then tap on continue. Now before you set up a fingerprint, you'll have to set up either a pin, a password, or a pattern if you haven't done that before. Obviously, if you had done that, then you'll require a pattern, pin, or password to access the fingerprint. Now since I don't have, I'll just go ahead and create a quick pattern. You can choose whatever you want, whether it's a pin or a password, but I'll choose the pattern. Okay, now once I select the pattern, as you can see, we're now inside the fingerprint registration page. So tap on register, and this is a fingerprint sensor. Now it's gonna move a little, and all you need to do now is grab your phone and then place the palm of your finger, the finger you intend to register, on that circle. Okay, and then put it up, and then place it again. Just keep doing this until this gets to 100%. Okay, so you can slightly change the angle that you place and make sure the whole fingerprint is covered. Okay, just keep doing this until you get to 100%. And then once it's at 100%, it will let you know. And then if you want to, you can add another finger, or you can simply tap on done. If you've had enough, you can choose to turn on remote unlock if you want to. Of course, you'll need a Samsung account for that. Anyway, so as you can see, our fingerprint has been registered. Okay, it's called fingerprint 1. You can also come here and either remove by tapping on delete, or you can rename that particular fingerprint. But from now on, when you want to unlock your phone, you should see the fingerprint there, and you can always just put your finger there to unlock your phone. So that's basically how to set up the fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.